Hello, welcome back to Learning Space. We're going to do a simple scratch project where we are going to bounce a ball. Let's see how that's done.
First, let's get our sprite, which will be a basketball.
Okay,
Choose a backdrop. We'll get basketball court one. You could do anything you want, really. You don't even need one. Okay. Next we're going to drag the ball to the bottom. Okay. Then we're going to get a one green file clicked.
okay.
Then we're going to go to motion
Mm-hmm.
and get go to, and then we'll say the X and Y there.
Okay,
Okay, next we're going to have to make it actually move, bounce.
yeah, move up and down.
Yeah. So we're going to go to control,
Uh-huh.
and we're going to get repeat 10.
Okay,
Then we're going to go back to motion and get a, let's see, what was it?
change
Yeah, change Y by
because
10.
Y is the
height.
height. Yeah, Y is the vertical thing.
Yeah.
Vertical line.
Yeah, Y is vertical, X is side to
Horizontal.
side.
Yes.
Now we're going to move that block and duplicate it.
Mm-hmm.
You do that by clicking on the block with the right mouse button.
Yeah, so that means you basically select the block
Mm-hmm.
and right click the mouse, and then this duplicate will appear. Then you can just click on duplicate to duplicate it.
Yeah, now the same thing. Next, on our duplicate, we are going to make it turn into negative 10.
Okay.
We're going to put that there and
Mhm.
see how it looks.
So
Very nice.
went up and down.
Okay. So now, or basically, when the ball bounces in real life, it
Yeah.
continuously bounces a few times.
And with every bounce back up, the height reduces.
Yeah.
So that's what we are going to do
Mm-hmm.
next.
Yeah. So basically, we're going to have to drag that out and duplicate
Again.
both of them this time.
Mhm.
And we're going to do that 4 times.
Mhm.
2, 3, 4. Let's
So-
put our normal one back.
Yeah. And so we are going to decrease that change Y by
2.
change Y by 10 by 2 every time in every block. So it will be, for the next one, it will be change Y by 8 and change Y by negative 8.
Yeah, and then we're going to do so on until we hit
Reach 2
yeah.
and negative 2.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's your bouncing ball. Now we can also add sound.
Yeah.
Because a basketball or any ball.
What makes sound?
Yeah. So
Let's hear the basketball bounce. No, that's not a basketball bounce.
I mean, it's okay.
That's not a basketball bounce.
Okay. So we don't have anything else. So let's go to sounds.
And
And if you go here,
choose a sound.
you'll get a library of sounds.
Yeah.
And from here, you can find
Yeah, we can. Let's go to effects.
effects. You know.
And then on the top row, boing.
So we don't have to go through all of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just hear it.
Okay.
Yeah, I like
I'll go
that.
back to the code.
Yeah, code, and then we'll go start sound boing. Okay, and make sure it's start sound and not place down the boink until done. Otherwise, it would look weird. Then we're just going to basically repeat that. So every time it gets to the normal number,
Yeah, every time, right after the -10 block, we are going to put the sound to play the sound. So when it touches the ground,
So
sound is played.
yeah, and we have to do that for all of them. Which this one's much easier than keep on duplicating that and then changing it. I like this part better. Okay, and I'll just push stop all at the end just for fun. And let's do one more at the end, or no?
Yes. I think that's better. Okay, now let's see.
Oink, 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 oink.
Okay.
Wait, let me try it without that stop all. Oink, 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 oink.
Okay. It works either way.
Yeah, I think it's better without the stop all.
Okay. So we created a bouncing ball.
I'm just going to remove this one. That sounds weird.
Okay, that's what I thought. Let's see that once more. So you remove the first.
Oink, 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 oink.
Okay. Okay, so this is it. We created a bouncing ball in Scratch today. You can change the Y and experiment how it would look.
Yeah.
So that's about it.
Yeah. Really simple, not too hard.
I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up and share your comments. And please subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.